Hey guys, Lola Claire here. How are you doing? I haven't been on here for a while and I've been watching this stock. This is a stock for the day. This is the one with the coronavirus vaccine, I think. But yeah, I've been trading this for about 3 days now. And I was just about to come on and say, watch this drop and pop. And before I could get my computer on and set up, this thing just plummeted. So now I'm waiting for it to pop. Anyway, we would not have traded it because I'm catering to you guys. If whoever is watching with low equity, that try to save your little bubbles for your PDT. So I was thinking, okay, not a big problem. We could see if we can get another pop. So it dropped, and I want to see a better confirmation. And by God, there it is. So we are gonna see. We have a second green candle, a lot of power right there. Doesn't look like a pullback. Okay, it doesn't look like a fake pullback, I mean to say. Don't really like that long leg doji right there, but yep, I see confirmation. I'm getting in it. With 80 shares, with our $2,000 in equity, we can buy a certain amount. I'll put that up there for those of you who are just joining me. So, yeah, we're up already $12, and I have this on a larger screen on my desktop, so this chart is all jacked up. But I just really wanted to get on here so we can see this. So, all right, while we watch it go up, and you're not seeing the money, but the money is not even important. What is important is that you get the trade right. If you get the trade right, then the money will be there. All right, let me just see if I can shift this up. And this is the older version. They have another version there. That's pretty good. I'm using that on my desktop. So we're up $40 with 80 shares. And for those of you joining me for the first time, welcome, welcome. For those of you who have been here with me and patiently waiting for another video, thank you so much. I appreciate it. So, drop and pop pattern, but let me go through, let me take out back everything here. The other one's a little bit easier. You just click on up here, but I have this for some reason still on here. I don't know. But all right, so what I do, I go into my daily and I do my Fibonacci retracement so I can see what's happening here. I think this stock's supposed to go to 95 if I remember. I have it on this other one. All right, but anyway, I put in my daily Fibonacci, then I put in my minute Fibonacci, and I try to get the points. Webull is so great at that they have the points right there. So my minute is there. Then I saw this pattern forming, and I was about to jump on here and say, guys, look, this is going to be a drop and pop, and it dropped before I could get my thing set up, like I said. So we are getting the pop back up. So this is the flag that I saw, my drop and pop, and this thing should supposed to shoot right back up. VWAP is going up. Let's see what's the next level. Well, we have 100 there for the high, but we do have also, oh my goodness, I messed that up. All right, let me just take that back out and put that back in. And what we can do, we can also just change the color so we can differentiate it anyway. So put that there, the lowest to the highest, change the color. Let me change that to this color. All right. And then, so what I wanted to see was the level that we could get this stock, we could get out of this stock. All right. So we see that the higher day is $100.50 something cents. There's also a support and resistance level, almost not 100% correct on that one, but let's put that there as white and make it little thicker. All right, and then we have another one here, and this is a little bit more perfect right there at $97.73. So we have one at $93.35 and $97.73. This thing just dropped again. I saw on my other screen, and we're negative, but this is a drop and pop pattern. I'm not scared at all, so we're watching it to see this thing comes back up. It might consolidate around VWAP right here, so we're just waiting to see what happens. All right, so yeah, I'm using Webull here. I'm using the paper trading because I'm just trying to give back to you guys, you know, some of my strategies, what I see, what I look for when I'm trading. Wish I could get this thing smaller. Let me see. Don't think I can. All right. And yeah, I just want to give back to the trading community, you know, things I've learned over the years, what to look for, how to set up, and give some tips and tricks on how to trade and make money. So yeah, so we saw this pattern, this flag pattern. They're trying to go up. Then it consolidated for a while, and that's when I realized, boom, that this is going to be a drop and pop. And there it is, drop and pop. And this thing should go higher based on, you know, what I've learned over the years. Okay, so while I was editing, guys, I saw that this thing actually is popping. Just wanted to say, did I lie? Did I lie? Now you might say, but you're an idiot. Why didn't you hold it if you were sure? But I am holding it in my personal account. But this this video is getting too long, and I'm gonna have to try and cut some of the latter part here of this video so I can get this on YouTube. But I just wanted to just come in and show you that the main thing to focus on here is this pop and drop pattern. When you see something like this trending up, you draw your lines, your trend lines, wait for it to drop. I mean, if you're a short trader, you can take it down and take it up, which is something that I do sometimes. So you can take it down and then take it up. So I just wanted to just come back in here and say, yeah, see, told you so, drop and pop. And I am still holding it in my other account because I'm still waiting for that $93 or even the $95, that $93.35. So, all right, back to the rest of this video. So 80 shares in, bought, and we're have an unrealized P&L of $33.60. Sorry for this. I was in SBC. SBC. Was I? Yeah, SBC. So I just jumped out of that just to, wow, and SBC is doing the same thing. Ain't that something? Wow. They look alike, don't they? Anyway, all right. MRNA. So anyway, all right, back to what we're looking at. All right, so what we're just seeing is some slight indecision here, but this thing should be going up. Volume is not too convincing here, but this thing, another thing that kind of tells me that this thing is going to go up is that it fell, but then there's some buyers coming in, and you know, the stock started pushing back up, sellers. There was some power pushing this stock up, then saw it fall again, and then this gap up here. So I know that there's some real heavy bulls here, so we're just waiting for this thing to just do what it does. So guys, if you like what you see so far, give me a thumbs up and sign up for Webull. I have my link down there. If you sign up, you get free stocks, and they are pretty good on their stocks. So just use my link to sign up. I also have a link there for Robinhood, because these are better for beginner traders. You know, you can go in with small equity, and you can still do good if you know what you're doing. Sometimes they mess up a bit, you know, trying to get out, and, you know, it does crazy stuff sometimes, but 90% of time it works. So yeah, like I'm saying, this thing is gonna be a move up because of that pattern. And I just want to prove that to you. So just waiting for this thing to go up. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure that it's gonna get to our levels here today, but it can. This first one is not 100% support resistance, but it is pretty close. You can see that, right? This one is a little better. So I'm waiting for it to hit 93, 92 if it can. If it starts struggling, then I know that, hey, it might not get there today. So if I'm a day trader and I'm not a swing trader, I'll just take my money, walk away, and wait until another day. Yeah, we're up $50.40, but like I said, it's not even about the money. Let's just watch to see if our stock is going to get up to that $93. The high day so far is 91.59. Wow, Upwork is doing its thing, ain't it? Look at that. This is another stock that I was trading and I came out of this. Dang it. I came out of this stock. Whoa. I mean, I came out green, but nonetheless. Oh, man. Because this thing, I think this is the highest, ain't it? Let's see. On our daily, this is the older setup. I'm sorry. On the new setup, it's down here. So I was like, where is my thing? Sorry about that. All right, so this is the highest high. So I'm usually scared when I don't have a history to go off. So that's why I jumped out green. But this thing is now the highest high. Oh my goodness. It's like Upwork. Ooh, you are doing it. So our stock is still consolidating, as you can see with our money right there. But I just want to see because I might just get back into this. I don't know. Let's change this back. But let's take this off. All right. So wow, it is doing it. All right. Let's see. It's pulling back. That's just what I'm scared of, you know. I like to see patterns. I like to trade on patterns. And actually there was right here this big engulfing bullish pattern, bullish candle right here. Above VWAP curving up. But I was watching MRNA. And I was not watching this, but it is on my watch list. So I just saw that pop. All right, I'm seeing maybe consolidation. VWAP is still up. Let's see what it does. I'll just keep watching this. All right, let's go back to MRNA so we can see what's happening. I might just play some music for you because this thing might just, you know, consolidate for a bit. Sticking to VWAP here, but we'll see what happens. So also, WKHS is another one on my watch list. Look at this, guys. Holy Toledo. Even my fibs are out of date. Oh man, let's see. Okay, it's getting up to that 23.6% fib, which is $24.38. It's now at $23.50. Ooh la la. All right. Let's see what the pullbacks looks like, if it's gonna actually hit there. All right, where did it hit? It hit, let's put that there so we can see what happened. What did it hit? Probably should do that in a different color because I already have a yellow somewhere. Let's put that in orange. All right, let's see where it hit. Okay, it hit right there, that orange line. Okay, nice support resistance right there. Just below fib though. But that's perfect. Nice support resistance right there. But is it gonna get up to? Apparently not. Only went to support resistance. That's why, guys, it's very important to not only put your Fibonacci lines in, but you also need to put in your support resistance lines. All right, MRNA still acting the fool. Come on, you know you want to go up. Let's watch it and see what happens. All right, now we're below VWAP. You know what? I think I'll just take my money. Don't like that struggle right there. VWAP is just straight. All right, let's put a limit sell on here. All right, what we're gonna do, we just want to just jump out, but I want to see. I mean, I am still convinced it's gonna go up, but I don't like this foolishness around VWAP right here. We're in it at $19.31. There's a support resistance here at $91.16. Hit it there, but it missed it here. Don't know if this has the power to get back up there, but it should. Like I'm saying, yeah, things have just been acting strange recently. So it's sitting right here on this support resistance level. Right there is where it's sitting. I don't want to see it pass there. All right, where is it at right now? Okay, that's another lower support resistance right there. All right, so we got a bounce off support. Well, it's resistance here, support. So we got a bounce off support here. See if we can get these bulls to push this thing up. So we've been in this trade now for 24 minutes. But hey, where else you gonna work for 24 minutes and get $35? All right, so we push back off support. We're now hitting VWAP. And like I said, this thing might just consolidate for a while, as there's a lot of players in here. And VWAP tells you what's happening. This thing is consolidating. You can see that line, almost a straight line across. Okay, we have our fully formed 3 white soldiers. 1, 2, 3, or 3 green soldiers. Getting a pullback there on fib. A lot of decisions being made right there. So again, guys, if you like this video, go ahead, likes and subscribe. I like to see when people subscribe. And if you like it, sometimes you'll just watch a video. I do the same thing. I like it and I don't click that button. But it's actually very important to the content maker. And it also signals to YouTube that people actually do like watching these kinds of video and this video from this person. So it really does help me out if you just take the second to just click the like button for me and subscribe. The more people I see, I saw I got 1 more subscribers, and that got me kind of excited to come on here and just make this other video. And also because I saw MRNA, one of my perfect patterns. So I just wanted to bring that on to you. But please go ahead and subscribe and use my links to get onto Webull, because you can use it to paper trade. You can use it to hone your strategy and, perfect your skill. So go ahead. It's actually very, very good, up to date, everything, easy to use. And it has everything that most of these bigwigs brokerage company has. So promise you guys, you'll not regret this. All right, so I've seen that we're trying to pass now this support resistance, trying to break that resistance line, but we need some good push on here. There's a bit of resistance here with this wick, but we're almost 30 minutes in. I know I'm gonna cut this down, but this thing is gonna consolidate for a while. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna end this right here. I mean, if you see something like this and you want to just trade it, then by all means go ahead and stay in. But I don't like that VWAP is just straight right here. This is gonna be a dragged out thing, so I might just take this here right there on fib. Let's go 90, 80, 85. And no, they have decided not to. All right, let's see what happens if we're going to try again for fib. We can just go ahead and put that in there. Can you tell I'm not a patient person? I don't know if you can tell. Can you? But usually with large share size, you can always take it because it's going to be more than this. But if you can buy more, then yeah, you make more. But for right now, with a small equity, $28, $50 is not bad. It's nothing to snuff at. Oh, 90.85. Okay, it's just showing me. So I put in my sell, 80 shares, 90.85, which is the next fib line, which is actually where it popped already. Should have thought of that. It hit it but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times multiplied by these hits. Let's see if we're going to try for it again. It's just loving VWAP. And that's value weighted average price, right? Boom, there it is. All right, so 90.85 right there on my fib line. See why I tell you I like my fibs? All right, so boom, and I'm up. All right, and we're out. So, and this thing is going to go up like it usually does for me. When I get out, it usually just continues up. Anyway, I'm still in it in my personal account, but I just wanted to end this video so I can concentrate on that. But yeah, if it's now 10:22. We've been in this stock. Well, we're out of the stock, so just call it 31 minutes. I'm gonna cut this video down anyway. But at the end of the day, you will have this up. I will have this up today, so you will have it to see. So you can just put in your lines and see how, how I did and how did the stock do, because I said it's gonna be a drop and pop. Might be, but I don't like this. So I don't like this long consolidation. So that's why I just took my profit and I'm gonna go. So I think I had 20 something dollars there. So I think we made 40 something dollars on this stock in 30 minutes. So watch it and see. It's a good stock. It's supposed to go up, but I'm not sure I like what's happening right here. But anyway, for this, guys, that's it for today. I will try and catch you with another good pattern so you can look out for these things when you're trading and watch them. Paper trade them first just to see, maybe you can rewatch the video, see how these patterns move, and then paper trade them to see how they'll work for you. All right, so this thing is probably gonna pass this resistance, but it's better to just take it and go, take it and go. So ignore this. It's 40 something dollars. We're up today. Yeah, guys, so yeah, so that's it for me today. This thing is gonna consolidate for a while, but like I said, I am still in it. But for beginner traders, it's best to take some money and go, or even take half of your share size and wait for the rest. But always put some money in your pocket, All right, so I think that's it for me today. I'm going to just head on over here to my other screens and see what I can do. I'm still watching my Upwork and my WKHS. That's UPWK, WKHS, and I'm also watching SPR. So just want to concentrate on those, but I just wanted to take this to you. So this thing actually, I probably should have stayed and hang on, but I don't want this video to be too long, even though I could cut it down. But yeah, this thing is in an uptrend, as you can see, making higher highs, higher lows. So it's not too bad to hang around there, but it is going to be a while. All right, so that's it for me. Lola Claire here. Convert to smart.wordpress.com for all the other videos, and I will catch you later. Just be good, guys. Oh, boom, look at that. Can't seem to leave you, can I? Boom, right there. Let's see, and it broke it. Boom, so I am green over here. Yep, I am green on my personal account. Well, I've been green, but I'm even greener. So anyway, that's it. That's it, guys. I'll catch you later. Take care of yourself, love each other, and be good. Bye, guys.